Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, it is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy free ideas for coffee lovers, beautiful tea cozy for tea lovers, coffee lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, beautiful variety, different designing. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style, wooden button. Different flower decorated ideas, beautiful crochet coffee cozy. So please you must watch my video till then. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy ideas. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi pattern, beautiful different free pattern, handbag, fingerless gloves design, dog sweater, cat bed, coffee cozy, and different crochet pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please pray for me.